Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to show you a new box, and that is Color My Cookie. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so Color My Cookie got a hold of me and they asked if I would be willing to show you guys one of their boxes. And once I went to their site, I was like, oh my gosh, this is an amazing idea and I would definitely love to show my viewers because this is awesome. So if you would guess already with the word cookie in it, this is cookies. Yes, it is. But it's not just a subscription. You can go and purchase one-time boxes from their site. So let's just say you or somebody you know might have a birthday or some type of an occasion coming up and you just want to send them a box of cookies. This is an amazing idea because now you can. These cookies are delivered to your door and all you have to do is just decorate them. They're already baked, they're already iced, they already give you everything to do and all you have to do is just decorate them. I think that is a really, really neat thing. So let's go ahead and learn a little bit about it. We're going to get into this. I'm going to show you what I received, how I end up decorating them, and then I'll be back to finalize and tell you about my whole experience and what I think. So Color My Cookie is a one-of-a-kind cookie decorating kit. We pre-ice the shortbread cookies for you. Then we include edible watercolors, icing, sprinkles, and other edible decor you use to bring your cookies to life. Plus, every Color My Cookie includes access to an online cookie decorating tips. So you do have a way to go online and you can see all different types of tips and tricks for you to do it if you would like to see those. With Color My Cookie's pre-baked kits, anyone can look like a baking show champion. So how it works, you sign up, we send you cookies. You pick a plan. Your Color My Cookie will ship by the 10th of every month. You'll know it's there when you see the brown box with polka dot tape at your doorstep. Then it's time to decorate and enjoy. So the pricing, if you want to do the subscription, again, you don't have to. You can just go and purchase any of the boxes at any given time. But if you do want to know the pricing for the subscription, if you do month by month, it's $49.99. You can do 3, 6, or 12 months, and it'll bring that box price down depending on how many you would like to prepay for. You can also just, again, go directly to buying the already curated boxes, and they have the regular kits. They start at $39, and then they have a mini kit that starts at only $16. So that would even be great. Again, like I said, if you know somebody who's having a birthday or some type of an occasion, you can send a regular kit or a mini kit directly to them, and they get to enjoy their cookie, decorate it themselves, and spoil themselves by eating it. Like, I think that is so neat. They also have holiday sets. So right now they have Easter. So they have already pre-done Easter cookies that all you have to do again is just decorate them yourself, but they come already done, ready for you like all the other ones do, but they are holiday themed. So again, right now they do have the Easter. So if you wanted to send somebody some Easter cookies that they can just decorate and have themselves, that's just really, really neat, unique, and something completely different. So they also do custom orders and bulk orders over 25. You can definitely get a hold of them if you want to do custom orders or anything like that. And then when you do purchase them, you get to select your ship by date. So if it is for a birthday, an anniversary, or for some type of an occasion, you can tell them what day to ship it so it'll arrive on time. And I really do like that. So now they told me to choose one of the sets on their site, but again, there's so many different ones. I was torn. Then I brought it down to 2 different ones and I was like, okay, I'm torn between these 2, so just surprise me. I did see on the side, it says you're a gem. So I know now which one they chose for me, and that is awesome. I was going to be fine with either one because they're just so cute, but this is the gem one. So if you know me, you know I love my crystals, so that was probably the best out of the 2. So let's go ahead and dive in. It will come in a box just like this with their logo. It does have the nutrition facts on the back, so if you have any questions or want to know, they are right there. So when you open it up, That's what it looks like. There is a card right on top, and it looks like there is the QR code reader. So if you do want to get some tips and tricks, that'll take you directly to it and make it easy for you if you wanted to scan that. And then it just says, welcome to the Color My Cookie family. It goes over their story and how they came into creating the business and all of that, which is awesome. I did read that online. Here's what it looks like inside. Nice and cutely wrapped with tissue paper. So now you got some squiggles. Let's get in here and see what we have. Ooh, okay, so now like you just peel back the top layer and you can start seeing them. This is so neat, you guys. Okay, so again, with the gem, and these are big and they're heavy. Like, these are so pretty. They definitely look like they are some top of the line gourmet cookies. I cannot wait to taste them. But so all you have to do is just color in, do whatever you want on there. And then here is a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. And it says, you're a gem. That is just so cute. I like that they are completely decorated. So even like the top icing is already done for you. You just have to color it in. Color your cookie. It has this, and I believe from looking at their website, this is what you use to actually color. This is the edible watercolors to color your other cookies, I believe. And it looks like an actual cookie that you can eat afterwards. Score, if that's the case. There's that. And again, I see this on the other one, so I believe this is how you color them. You do have 3 little cups here, and then there's more cookies. Here's another diamond, so there's 2 of that same size. There's another heart. Okay, so there's 2 of each one. So there's 6 total, and then there's 2 of the one that says you're a gem. So there's 6 total cookies. You have this one, your 2 cups. You even have some icing right here, so you just cut the little tip and you just squeeze it out and it's already ready for you to go. There's 2 different paint brushes, so you can color in your colors. And then here is 2 different like decorative edible, I don't know if that's like sugar, but you do have 2 different colors of these to decorate them as well. That is so neat. I think this is really neat how everything comes just already ready. You just start drawing and coloring and then enjoy your cookies. That is so cool. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and move all of this stuff to the kitchen. I'm gonna start decorating, we're gonna start tasting them, and then I will be back to finalize. Okay, so now I am back to finalize after actually preparing them and decorating them myself, which I must say was actually a really neat experience. I enjoyed it way more than I actually thought I would. It's just really neat that the cookies already come almost ready, and all you have to do is just put the color and put the little decorations and you're done. So I'm gonna just show you, like, I have 2 of my little hearts right here. Okay, so now that the icing has set, it actually got hard, just like the other part of the top icing was nice and hard and ready and firm. After a while, that's what happened to this. So when you take the little paintbrush and you dip it in water, even if you just dip it in water and put it on the white icing that was there, when you add the little decorations, it kind of sticks to it as it dries. So basically you're just adding the little water to the colored dot that is on there, which yes, that is an edible cookie. So you can eat it afterwards. If you don't want the little glob of color, you can just knock that off, but the rest of the cookie is still very, very good. So here again is mine, and it's dried, and the little things are not even coming off. They're like literally stuck on there. I'm really pleased with how everything dried and set. This is literally like having an actual gourmet cookie. By the taste, by the feel, by the touch, by the looks, everything just screams straight gourmet about it. I really, really enjoy the actual cookie itself. The shortbread is really, really good. It's super soft, but it's not too crumbly. It crumbles in your mouth, like it melts in your mouth, but it's not too crumbly where it's just gonna break apart, because it does have the hard icing, which I actually love. I love to bite into a cookie and get that hard kind of like crunch. It's not too crunchy where it's gonna break a tooth or anything. No. It is a very, very light little crunch, but I do like that than it just being like a regular like icing that is not hard at all and it's moist. I don't like to bite into it and get like a moist effect. I like the firm effect. So the cookie is phenomenal. It is very, very good. And again, it tastes like you went to like a high-end bakery and got it. So I do like that. Now I've had my man try them. His uncle is here. He's tried them now 2 different times. The first day I made it, and now it's been like 3 days. And it's, like I said, everything is nice and set. It still tastes just as fresh. So once the icing does set, if you wanted to put them back in the bags that they come in, you're more than welcome to. I stuck them in little containers, but we ate them, and I sent some home with his uncle. And again, they absolutely love it. So all around, from all of us combined, our total thoughts would be, it has a nice sweet aftertaste. It's a very soft cookie and not dry, like I just explained. The taste is like a gourmet, and it's not too much of a crumble, and it's like mouth watering. It melts in your mouth. And then on their website, all of the different themes are so, so cute, because there's different themes in them. Like a good example would be they have them for like new home buyers. So they're like home shape, anything like for like a new home buyer. That would be a great little gift, like to give them like a housewarming. Send them a little box of cookies that are all themed for like a new home buyer. That's really neat. They have birthdays, there's new babies, there's congratulations, there's the holiday ones, which will change with the different holidays and the seasons. They even have them for like little girls and little boys with different themes, like little trucks, or there's ocean themes, there's little princess themes for little girls. So if they were having like a little sleepover, or if like a grandma wanted to watch their granddaughter or grandson and was like, let's have a little activity to do, you can order a set and paint them with them, and then you get to enjoy them together. That would be super, super cute. They have like summer themed ones. There's even like a movie night. That would be even really cute if you wanted to get your family together. You can decorate the little cookies, and then while they're setting, you get some popcorn, watch a movie, and then afterwards have your little dessert and eat your cookies. Like that would be a cool thing to do as a family. But they even have like dog and cats. That would be good for dog and cat lovers, or if you know someone that just got a brand new dog or cat, you can send them a little gift. It's just so many different possibilities that you can send somebody one of these cute little unique kits that they can just color their own and eat their own gourmet cookie fresh at home. So I'm so glad that they got a hold of me, because this is an interesting thing that you can either do it monthly, or you can just send a one-time box to anybody or everybody and they can enjoy this at home just as much. And I like the whole experience. I did enjoy the whole entire experience. It was super, super neat. So again, these are the only 2 that are left out of the 6 so far, and I just thought it was really, really neat, the whole process from start to finish, decorating them myself and then eating them, and just like I said, just how fresh they are even still days later. It's just, I really enjoyed this. So if you want to check them out, definitely check them out. The link will be down below. So comment down below, you guys, let me know, what did you think about this? Have you ever seen anything like this before? Do you think this would be a neat experience? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.